What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all having a great day. Today we are on our way to Road Atlanta and we are going to be checking out the Formula Drift event that's happening over here. I'm super excited because last year we did the same event and it was a blast. So I hope with the experience I have from going last time, we can see even more cool stuff at this one. And more specifically, the RTR team, Vaughn, Chelsea DeNofa, and James Dean are going to be there today, obviously, because it's Formula Drift, but they're rocking their new 2024 Mustang, so hopefully I get to see these in person, maybe up close, and get to show you guys. That would be super cool. So without further ado, let's go check it out. Megan's in Publix right now picking up some subs because, you know, lunch, and then we will go and have a ton of fun. So guys, why don't you come on with us and we'll go check it out. Well folks, we made it. We made it to Formula Drift Atlanta and they had us park way on the other side, somewhere, I don't even know where. I asked the guy where the paddock section was and he's like, oh, you better, you better hitchhike over there, buddy. And I'm like, okay, shoot. So we're gonna try to find it and try to see some of the cool cars. All right, wish us luck. It's like 7 miles. Let's do it. Ready?
Are you guys burning?
They're burning. We made it. Thank you guys. We appreciate it. We made it to the pit section, guys. We had to ask some newly acquainted friends here. But yeah, we made it to the pit section, the paddock section here, so we're gonna check it out and hopefully find the RTR area and see if we can get a good look at the Mustangs they're running, man. I can't wait. So I have no idea where we're going, but wherever Megan is, I don't know what side she's on.
Putting behind you.
Putting behind me. And then, yeah, we're gonna just take a look and see what we got here, but this is pretty cool. Guys, I spotted the booth. It's over there. You probably can't even see it, but we're headed that way to the Fun Haver RTR booth. I can't wait. So excited. Guys, here we are. The RTR tent. Check this thing out real quick too. Wow. I love it. All RTR. All the time, Megan. Check that out. Yeah, the green looks super nice. But technically, I'm more excited about what's in there, which is the 2024 Mustang design. So as cool as this looks, which it looks awesome, let's go walk over here and take a look at this kind of together and see if we can get a good shot of this at all. Oh yeah, man. Look at that. Wow. This is the closest I've been to a new, at least the body, because the frame and all that, there's not much left. It doesn't look like of actual 2024 Mustang, but man, that looks cool. Let me try to get a I can't wait to see this thing sliding around today. It's gonna be awesome. Wow, let's go check out Chelsea's car. That should be down here. Oh, yep. It looks like it's getting a new bumper, as you can see down there. Check that out. Nothing like a quick bumper change. That's awesome, huh?
That's really cool.
And then, let's go down here. Yeah, here's the old one. Now guys, look at that. In person, the RTR lighting, so it's shattered completely, but I actually kind of like it in person. Like, I mean, if it was all put together and like nice, but you guys know, like this one, I guess this is looking still good on James Dean's car, except the splitter and all that is cracked off, but that's drifting, you know? I totally think I will get the RTR lights for the new car when I do get it. Yeah, mine is gonna be blue, so that'd be cool to have blue lights as well. I don't know We have no info on that yet as far as the product releases, what their cost, what the options are, but it should be pretty cool. Should we spin the wheel, Megan?
Yeah, why not?
Let's do it. Let's spin the wheel. Let's get in line. Guys, we got the stuff. Got a fun haver bag with license plate cover, a little keychain, whatever, some little stuff, t-shirt.
Yep.
So I'm happy. I could have went all out in there because that's like all the stuff I like. But all right, I won't. But look, they got a little RC thing set up too. But yeah, we'll check out the rest of what we got to offer. We're actually just going back around to the RTR, the other side here. And I just wanted to see the cars one more time because, I don't know, my first time seeing these 2024s in person. And even though these aren't like, you know, the production cars, these are FD Spec, still pretty freaking cool. So, and probably more cool, way more cool. Look at this thing, man. Dean's car. I like the hood vents on here as well. I think those are going to be like the RTR variant of the RTR versions for the production vehicles as well. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the grills here. Now these don't look like they actually have the lights in there from what I see, but maybe they do. Maybe I'm wrong. So they got all the lighting across the pillars there and everything. Pretty cool. Also the new RTR wheels here. These look really nice. Honestly, on the new car, I was just going to keep my stock wheels because they're RTR as well, or my wheels on the EcoBoost, and then when we get the GT, throw it on there. But those new ones look pretty cool, but I don't know if I'll be able to swing that as well.
Here we go, Thorn, I saw them earlier. Vaughn does get to the turn, so let's go to more run. And then Ford Mustangs outside that open.
Did you see that when he was going like pretty crazy, man. No, that was super cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a ton of fun making it and just getting some clips. My main goal for this one was just getting up close and personal with the new 2024 Mustang FD cars, kind of seeing what they actually look like in person, because I haven't seen the 2024 Mustang, like I've said multiple times in this video already, and I have one on order, so it's kind of crazy, you know, ordering one without seeing one in person. So this is the closest I've been to seeing them, and hopefully, you know, if you're in the same boat as I am, you were able to see kind of some of the detail up close, which I'll tell you right now, I am really liking the RTR style. The grill, the one that we saw, the more I look at the footage, did not have the lighting built in, but I know RTR is going to be revealing that soon, depending on when you're watching this video. So I can't wait to see what parts they come out with for these cars. It's gonna be super cool. And yeah, we'll just have to see. Anyways, you guys have a great day. We will catch you in the next video. And if you like this one, make sure to hit the like button. I'm trying to get to 100 likes on this video. If you guys can help with that, that would be awesome. You guys have a great day. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.